Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare IntelliJ Idea versus VSCode. We will explore their core functionalities, performance, and ideal use cases to help you decide which development environment best suits your programming style and project requirements. We'll delve into their unique strengths, from robust integrated features to lightweight extensibility, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of each tool's advantages. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to make an informed choice for your coding journey. IntelliJ Idea shines as a powerful integrated development environment, especially for Java and other JVM languages. It offers deep code understanding, intelligent refactoring tools, and comprehensive debugging capabilities, making it ideal for large-scale enterprise applications. Its integrated suite includes version control, build tools, and testing frameworks, providing an all-in-one solution. Developers often appreciate its smart code completion and advanced static analysis, which significantly boost productivity and code quality. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, stands out as a lightweight yet incredibly versatile code editor. Its rapid startup time and minimal resource consumption make it a favorite for many. With an expansive marketplace boasting thousands of extensions, you can customize it for virtually any programming language or framework, from web development with JavaScript and TypeScript to Python and C++. Its integrated terminal and Git support further enhance its appeal for a wide range of developers. Ultimately, the choice between IntelliJ Idea and VS Code depends on your specific needs. If you primarily work with Java or JVM languages on large, complex projects, IntelliJ Idea comprehensive features and deep integration will likely be your best bet. However, if you prefer a fast, highly customizable editor for web development, scripting, or polyglot programming, VS Code offers unparalleled flexibility. We encourage you to try both to discover which environment truly enhances your coding experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.